What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. As you can see, I have the 2-liter for the Mk4 Golf, and the Golf is in the garage. So what I will be doing over the course of who knows how long it's going to take, I will be putting this in here. I'll be putting the suspension on. I got to change the wheel bearing. I got to do the rear suspension as well. I did get a new intake. I got a bunch of colorful hoses and piping and stuff that I'll be putting in here too to kind of dress it up some. And also I'll be painting like the upper portion of the engine bay, because down on the firewall there's quite a bit of heat shielding going on, and so I'm going to keep that in there. I'm not going to mess with that. It'd be kind of nice to have that, I suppose. And before this is all said and done, I'm also going to probably have to do the heater core as well, because there's an awful lot of moisture on the windows when I use the heat. So basically that usually tells a person that the heater core is hissing or leaking or something causing moisture to come out and get onto the windshield. So anyways, we're going to get started. We're going to start kind of slowly. There is still a couple of parts that I have to get off the other engine and get them prepped and painted and stuff, but we're going to try to get this thing in this weekend. So here we go. So, taking the hood off of any car, it is easier with 2 people, but anyways, taking the hood off, you just so much more room to work with. You don't have to worry about lighting issues either as bad. But anyways, got the hood off with minimal damage to myself. So anyways, I'm going to have to get this thing jacked up on stands, and I'm going to have to drain the oil, drain all the fluids. So we're going to get on that. Okay, the engine damper is disconnected and the oil is draining as we speak. So I'll probably pull the fascia and the radiator support all off before I get like down into everything, because that stuff, it doesn't matter when I do it. I'll do it eventually before it's all said and done. Everything will be out of here that is kind of in the way of me painting. So I'm gonna let that drain and then I'll get back to it. Alright, so did get the engine out. Also got the transmission separated from the engine. I did get the bottom timing cover off. I've got it over there drying. I went ahead and just gave it some paint just for a little protection. Nothing fancy, just black. So anyways, I still need to get the clutch and the flywheel off so that I can put it on the other engine, of course. I still need the motor mount off of here, and oh, I'll have to go to the hardware store so I can get some longer bolts, because I did get the AC pump delete kit, the little pulley, so I do have that, but you need longer bolts and a set of nuts to utilize that. So anyways, as far as this weekend, I did pretty decent. I did get the passenger side, yeah, the strut off. Well, I did get to cleaning up this part that I want to paint. I also cleaned up some other stuff too. I need to actually get that battery tray and clean it up. It looks awful. I don't think I'm going to paint it, but I do want to at least clean it up. But that stuff can wait for a while. I really need to finish this up. So anyways, that is going to be it for this weekend. So anyways, just a quick little update what's going on with the Mk4 Golf Project. So I do appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.